Hello everyone, I welcome to all in this lecture. This is the third lecture from the limit. So in the previous two lectures, I have discussed about what is the importance of limit. Also, I have discussed about what is the concept of limit, what is the meaning of neighborhood of a point, what is meaning of x tends to a. In this, I have discussed x tends to a minus, x tends to a plus, means left neighborhood, and right neighborhood. Also, I've discussed what is the meaning of existence of limit. When left hand limit will be equal to right hand limit, then we can call a limit is exist. Okay. Also, I've discussed some algebraic relation, some properties of limits, sum rule, division rule, multiplication rule, quotient rule. So that I've discussed in the previous lecture. Now also I've discussed how we can calculate limit in the case of polynomial function and rational function. In rational function, we have seen that when limit fx divided by gx and x goes to a and condition that when ga is equal to 0 and if 0 is equal to 0. So in this case, I have mentioned that limit may or may not be exist. Okay, so I will discuss this for this case, how we can solve the limit or how we can calculate the limit. Okay. What are the type of forms? There are two types of form of determinate form or indeterminate form. So to understand the indeterminate form, first understand what is determinate form, right? So determinate form in which we can predict, we can calculate the limit without applying or using special method. Special method that I will discuss in coming lecture. Okay, so just understand the determinate form, the form which limit can be calculated by using the without using the special method, right? And the second point about the determinate form is the two form. In this case, two form or two problem having same form, two problem having the same form will have equal limits. Will have equal limits. Let's see few example. Limit x goes to let's take like 1 by x square and x goes to 0. Another one, and limit x goes to 0, x to the power 4. Now check the form. How we check the form? Put the x is equal to 0, and what we are getting? We are getting 0 square, so it will come 1 by 0 plus, right? अगर आप माइनस करके भी चेक करोगे, क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1/0 माइनस, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट अगर आप लेते हो तो 1 इट विल कम 0 प्लस, और अगर आप राइट भी लोगे 1/0 प्लस स्क्वायर, इट विल ऑल्सो कम 0, राइट। सो फॉर्म इज 1/0 प्लस, 1/0 प्लस क्या होगा, इन्फिनिटी। In this case, see here, in this case check the form. फॉर्म कैसे चेक करेंगे, पुट द वैल्यू x इक्वल टू, जो लिमिट टेंस कर रहा है x टेंस टू 0 है, तो 0 to the power 4 will give us 1 plus 0 form, that is infinity. So you can see here two different problems having same form giving us the same limit, same result. You can see here same, yeah. We can say also same limit. Right? So determinate form in which we can predict the limit without applying the special method. Or in this case, two problems having the same form will have equal limit. You cannot vary, right? So let's see what are the different types of form. In the case of determinate form, अगर आप लेफ्ट साइड को देखोगे तो राइट साइड आप बता सकते हो कि राइट साइड क्या होगा। लेट्स सी 0 प्लस c, where c is a constant. तो अगर किसी कांस्टेंट में 0 अगर ऐड करोगे तो क्या बनेगा, कांस्टेंट। लेट्स सी 0 प्लस 0, 0 में 0 ऐड करोगे क्या बनेगा, 0। लेट्स सी 0 प्लस इन्फिनिटी। व्हाट इज इन्फिनिटी? Infinity is a large number, very, very large number. It means we cannot express here, we cannot write on this board, right? It's just a feeling, very large number. जितना आप सोच सकते हो उससे भी बड़ा है, जितना आप लिख सकते हो उससे भी बड़ा है, right? तो एक बहुत बड़े नंबर में अगर आप 0 ऐड करते हो, so result will be infinity. Infinity minus 0. When you are deducting a 0 from a large number, so result will be, so see, आप लेफ्ट साइड को देख के भी राइट साइड को बता सकते हो। सो दीज आर फॉर्म आर द डिटरमिनेट फॉर्म, डिटरमिनेट फॉर्म, राइट। 0 minus infinity, when you are deducting an infinity number, a large number from a 0, so it will become a minus infinity. Now 0 into 0, 0, infinity plus c, when you are adding a constant number from a infinity, so what will happen, it will become a large number. So large number also we can represent by this infinity. अब आप ये मत कह देना ये infinity तो सर इक्वल है, तो क्या c की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 0 है, नो, c will be 0, नो। ये infinity क्या है, ये सेम नहीं है, it's just a feeling. I'm already said that infinity means that is not a number, it's not a number, it's like you cannot write, we call infinity but it's not a number, right? So ऐसे समझने के लिए समझ सकते हो कि ये infinity से बड़ा infinity है, right? c minus infinity. So when you are deducting a large number, a very, very, very large number from a constant value, it will be minus infinity. Now 1/0 plus 1/0 plus क्या होगा, infinity। 1/0 minus ये क्या होता है, minus infinity. You can imagine all this, you can see from this graph also, what is the graph of 1/x? तो 1/x का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करो, क्या आता है ये, it will come like this, like this. So When you are approaching towards 0 plus here, the result we are getting positive. When you are approaching from the left side, 0 minus, the result is coming minus. It's the graph of 1 by x. In this, here it is showing 1 by 0 plus, 1 by 0 minus. Right? So these are the form that is called determinate form. Determinate form क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि अगर लेफ्ट साइड की वैल्यू को आप देखोगे तो राइट साइड आप प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हो कि राइट साइड में क्या होगा. So that is called determinate form. And when you are getting while solving the limits, when you are getting the form in the form of determinate, then you can directly write the value of limit. Okay, no need to apply some special methods. What is indeterminate form? In which we cannot find limit without using special method. In this case, without using a special method, we cannot determine or we cannot calculate or we cannot judge that what will be the limiting value, right? So that is called indeterminate form. Second thing, in this case, we will see two problems having same form. These two problems having same form can be different limiting value. Let's see example. Limit x by x when x goes to 0. Let's calculate what will the limiting value. पहले फॉर्म डिसाइड करते हैं. फॉर्म क्या है? तो अब x को रखो, क्या आ रहा है? 0 by 0. फॉर्म इज 0 by 0. ओके, सो अगर फॉर्म आ रहा है आपका 0 by 0, सो हाउ इट इज इंडिटरमिनेट? ये इंडिटरमिनेट क्यों है फिर? Because if form we are getting 0 by 0, so we cannot say what will be the limiting value and what will be the right side. Like someone will say 0 0 will cancel, it will be 1. Someone will say okay, no, it will be infinitive, it can be minus infinitive, right? So that's why it is called indeterminate form. Okay, so limiting value we can calculate, that will become 1. The limit of 1 by x square when I take x cube by x square, let's say some other value. Limit of sin x divided by x this is also we can get 1. Okay. Limit of when x goes to 0, x sin x divided by x. What is form here? Form sin 0 and 0. This is also form a 0 by 0 form. Here also form is 0 into sin 0 divided by 0. We are getting here 0 by 0 form. Okay, so you can see the result here. We are getting here 0. Okay, you can see here when the same form we are getting in different question, but limiting value we are getting same or different also. In this case, first and second case, we can get limiting value are same and the form are same, but in the second and third, you can see form are 0 by 0 form, but limiting value we are getting different. So in the indeterminate form, two problems having the same form can be different limiting value, right? Let's take few example. Limit x square by x and x goes to 0. Which form here? 0 square by 0. We are getting 0 by 0 form. And you can calculate the limiting value. That will be 0. Now, limit of x divided by x cube and x goes to 0. What is form in this case? Let's put the value x equal to 0. 0 form we are getting 0 by 0 form, right? So what will this value? So x is not equal to 0 here because x goes to 0. It means x goes to 0 minus or x goes to 0 plus. So it will be plus infinity. So you can see in the both cases, form are same, but limiting value is different. Limiting value is different. It can be possible only in the case of indeterminate form. Okay, when the form is determinate, for the two form, limiting value will be same. It will not, it can't be different. Okay. Now, then we can say indeterminate form to calculate limiting value for the indeterminate form, we need some special method, right? So here when we say determinate or indeterminate, what is the meaning of this? The word indeterminate, it means we cannot determine limiting value or we cannot find limiting value by using simple method. We have to use some special method. So that is meaning of word indeterminate. ऐसा नहीं कि हम निकाल ही नहीं सकते, डिटरमिनेट ही नहीं कर सकते, हम निकाल सकते हैं बट हम एक स्पेशल मेथड यूज करेंगे तब निकालेंगे. सो वर्ड इंडिटरमिनेट का मतलब है डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं बट बाय यूजिंग द स्पेशल मेथड, राइट? Okay, so let's write what are the following indeterminate form. Zero by zero, total 7 form are there. 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 to the power 0, infinity to the power 0, and 1 to the power infinity. यहाँ पे सभी बच्चे कंफ्यूज करते हैं. और कंफ्यूजन क्या है कि हम जनरली जानते हैं कि 1 to power, फॉर एग्जांपल 1 square, 1 to the power 1000, 1 to the power 1 10 to the power 5, 1. So why 1 to the power will not be equal to 1, right? How it can be indeterminate form? It should be determinate form. So अगर form ये है 1 to the power infinity is equal to 1, so ये 1 होगा. But in this case here अब जो ये 1 देख रहे हो ये क्या है? It is not exact one. It is not exact one. It is approaching to one. Approaching to one का क्या मतलब होता है? From the left side or from the right side. ये one नहीं है, approach कर रहा है one को. So जो भी आप पिक्चर में देख रहे हो, here 0, infinity and 1, ये क्या है? Are not exact one. ठीक है? सपोज अगर 0 है तो ये this is approaching to 0. Approaching to 0, approaching to 1, or tends to 1, tends to infinitive, right? So these are the 7 forms that we have, that is called indeterminate form. And by solving the limit which is in the form of indeterminate, we can apply the special method to calculate the limiting value. Okay, so ये indeterminate form कैसे है थोड़ा वो समझते हैं. Like 0 by 0 we know, अगर form 0 by 0 है, so we cannot say like what will be the right. It can be 1, it can be infinity, it can be minus infinity, it can be 1. Okay, in the previous slide we have seen that. Now second form, that is infinity by infinity. We can write here 1 by infinity, 1 by infinity. It can be form 0 by 0. So this is also a indeterminate form. This is also indeterminate form. Now next one, 0 to 0 into infinity. See here how 0 into infinity is indeterminate form. अगर ये indeterminate नहीं है तो राइट में क्या लिखेंगे? टेल मी, राइट साइड क्या लिखेंगे? क्या होगा? अगर हम 0 की प्रॉपर्टी पे चलते हैं तो 0 क्या कहता है कि 0 में किसी भी इंटू को, चाहे कितना भी वो लार्ज हो, अगर वो मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा तो 0 हो जाएगा. तो अगर हम 0 की बात सुनेंगे तो क्या बनेगा रिजल्ट? 0 इंटू इंफिनिटी इज 0. इंफिनिटी कहता है कि कोई भी क्वांटिटी अगर कोई इंफिनिटी में इंटू होगा, कोई भी क्वांटिटी, अगर इतने बड़े क्वांटिटी, जब ये बहुत बड़ा क्वांटिटी है इंफिनिटी, तो वो क्या बना देता है उसको? इंफिनिटी. तो अगर इसकी बात सुनेंगे तो क्या होगा? 0 इंटू इंफिनिटी इक्वल टू इंफिनिटी, राइट? बट इन सम केसेस वी कैन ऑल्सो सी लाइक 0 इंटू इंफिनिटी, अगर दोनों की थोड़ी थोड़ी सुन लेते हैं, कुछ 0 की बात मानते हैं, कुछ इंफिनिटी की बात मानते हैं, ओके, बीच में अगर कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं, सो इट कैन बी ए फाइनाइट वैल्यू अदर देन 0, right? So you can see here we are getting 0, we are getting infinity, we are getting finite some value. So we cannot say which value we can write here. So that's why it is called indeterminate form. Okay. Now fourth one, infinity minus infinity. ये तो पहले से ही लग रहा है. इन्फिनिटी देखो, ये कोई वैल्यू नहीं है कि आप कैंसिल कर दोगे इसको, कि इन्फिनिटी माइनस इन्फिनिटी कैंसिल हो गया. जैसे हम करते हैं 5 माइनस 5 0, जैसे हम करते हैं 4 माइनस 4 0. तो ये इन्फिनिटी क्या है? ये कोई नंबर नहीं है, ये फीलिंग है बहुत बड़ी नंबर का जिसको हम लिख नहीं सकते. तो ये आपस में सेम होंगे, इसकी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है? सेम नहीं होगा, कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? फीलिंग है, फीलिंग तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? तो इट कैन बी, अगर मान लो तो कि इक्वल है, फॉर एग्जांपल से इट कैन बी 0. अगर ये इसके कंपेयर में बहुत बड़ा है सो इट कैन बी इन्फिनिटी. अगर ये इसके कंपेयर में बहुत बड़ा है सो इट कैन बी माइनस इन्फिनिटी. सो वी कैन नॉट डिटरमाइन लाइक व्हाट विल बी द इन द राइट साइड. So that's why it is called a indeterminate form. So these seven form are also are there. So that I will discuss how that they are in the indeterminate form. Okay. So now I think we are very clear about indeterminate form or determinate form. अगर आप बता सकते हो कि क्या होगा limiting value without using a special method, so that will be determinate. Or indeterminate means we cannot tell without using the special methods, right? Indicate form. अब ये few examples है, आपको select करना है कि form क्या है. So form कैसा select करेंगे? Just put the value where x tends to a. Suppose the value where x tends to. Okay. So check the form. क्या करना है इसमें? X is equal to x goes to 0 here. So put the value x is equal to 0. So what we are getting 0 plus 1 to the power 11 minus 11 into 0 minus 1 divided by 0 square. What we are getting here 1. We are getting here 1 to the power 11 minus 11 minus 1. So we are getting here minus 11 divided by 0. So 0 square minus or plus, it will be 0 plus. So 0 plus we know what is that. अगर कोई determinate है तो हम लिख सकते हैं. So it will be a minus infinity because here it is minus. I get your point. फॉर्म कौन सा मिला था हमें 1/0 प्लस. इसका क्या रिजल्ट होता है 0 इन्फिनिटी प्लस इन्फिनिटी, राइट. बट इसके आगे माइनस है. यू कैन सी minus 11/0 प्लस. इट विल बी minus infinity. नेक्स्ट वन फॉर्म x goes to 0. Put the value x is equal to 0. So 3 into 0 divide by e to the power I think 9x minus e to the power 2x. 3 into 0 0 sine 0 0, right. Now e to the power 9 into 0, so 0 0 means 1 minus 1. So we are getting the form 0/0, right. So 0/0 form is indeterminate. We cannot determine without using the special method. Okay, next, limit of x minus 10x divided by x minus sin x and x tends to 0. So form 0 minus sin, sorry, tan 0 divided by 0 minus sin 0. tan 0 क्या होता है 0. So 0 minus 0 divided by 0 sin 0 0. So form we are getting 0/0. Next one. Put the value x goes to infinity here. See. So ln 1881 infinity power square and then plus 1 divide by ln infinity. We can write L infinity divided by L infinity. इसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है इन्फिनिटी पे infinity divided by infinity. This is indeterminate form. ये मैंने कैसे लिखा है आप ग्राफ से देख सकते हो. तो ग्राफ कुछ ऐसे होता है. y is equal to L then x, when x is equal to e, then y is equal to, when x is equal to e, then y is equal to 1. So when x goes to infinity, then y will also goes to. So now we can calculate this form here also. Put the value x is equal to infinity in this case. So 1 plus 10 to the power infinity, 10 by infinity to the power x or infinity to the power infinity square. 1 plus 0. Here we are getting infinity. So this is the infinity. 1 to the power infinity. Right. This is the form 1 to the power infinity. This one form x goes to 1. So 1 to the power 1 minus 1 divided by ln 1. ln 1 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. Now this one form. Put x is equal to 1 here. So 1 to the power 1 minus 1 to the power a divided by ln 1. So 0 by 0 form. So you can calculate or you can see that limit is given in what form. So just put the value where x tends to, okay, and you will get the form. So it is, if you are getting the determinate form, then you directly can write the answer. And if you are getting the indeterminate form, then you need to calculate using the special methods. So L'Hopital rule that we can apply for the indeterminate form. So this can be applied for indeterminate form. Not form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. अगर फॉर्म आपका 0 by 0 में है ना, हमने फॉर्म देखना सीख लिया है, राइट? तो अगर फॉर्म आपको 0 by 0 फॉर्म में है और infinity by infinity फॉर्म में है, so you can apply the L'Hopital rule. So what is the L'Hopital rule? So L'Hopital rule if x and gx are two differentiable function, of x, and if limit of x fx when x tends to a is 0 and limit of gx when x tends to a is 0. So the limit of the quotient if x goes to a of fx divided by gx will be equal to, according to the L'Hopital rule, limit of f dash x divided by g dash x when x goes to a. So when limit of function when x goes to a 0 and limit of function gx is x goes to 0, x goes to a is 0, then we can automatically call this form will be a, this form is here 0 by 0 form. Right? Or this formula can be true if limit, this formula can be applicable in the limit of fx when x tends to age infinity plus or minus, and limit of gx when x tends to a is equal to plus minus infinity. So in this case also formula can be applicable, because already I wrote in the beginning, like the L'Hopital rule is applicable for 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Okay. The definition you can say, the L'Hopital rule says that the limiting value of a quotient will be equal to limiting of their derivatives. Okay. but it can be possible when the form is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, right? Okay, now in some case you will see, let's write here, limit of a function fx divided by gx when x tends to a equal to limit of f dash function derivative of fx derivative of gx when x tends to a. So suppose this is also a form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. This form is also we are getting 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity. So in this case, this limiting function of derivatives will be equal to limiting function of their derivatives, means 2 times differentiation. Limit f right, and so on. If this form is also in 0 by 0 form, then again you have to differentiate. If again we are getting 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, again you differentiate. Okay, let's take few example. Limit sin x by x and x goes to 0. First check the form, which form it is. So put the value x is equal to 0 because x pertains to 0 here. So sin 0 by 0, we are getting 0 by 0 form. So we can apply the L'Hopital rule by using L'Hopital rule. Limit will be equal to their differentiation. So sin x का differentiation क्या होता है? Cos x and x 1. So put the value x equal to 0. So what we are getting? Cos 0 divided by 1. So limit value we are getting cos 0 divided by 1 is okay. Let's take other example. Limit x tends to 0 of x square divided by x. What is form here? You can see form 0 square by 0. So we are getting 0 by 0 form, right? Apply the L'Hopital rule. The limit will be equal to their differentiation. X का differentiation 1, x square का 2x. Put the value x is equal to 0, we are getting 0. Okay. So you can see, you have seen that by applying a L'Hopital rule, you need to be remembered this differentiation formula. देखो जितना ज्यादा ये फॉर्मूला आपको ध्यान में रहेगा, लिमिट उतनी जल्दी सॉल्व हो जाएगी. एंड फॉर द गेट point of view, I would say this formula should be remembered by. Okay, these are the basic formula, and you will apply everywhere in the limit. Okay, so just write down all these formula. I'm going to use in calculating limit or by applying the L'Hopital rule. Some standard limit of sin x. You can say here what is the form. Form क्या है यहाँ पे? Let me check the form here. Sin x. Put the value of sin 0. क्या होता है 0? तो 0 तो कोई फॉर्म ही नहीं है, ये तो डिटरमिनेट फॉर्म है. So result will be 0. Right? Now cos 0 फॉर्म क्या है? Cos 0 is 1. It will be 1. So whenever you will get the determinate form will have a fixed limiting value, fixed results. Now let's see this case, form sine 0 and this 0, 0 by 0 form. In the previous slide we have calculated, I think, so this will be 1. These are the some standard limits, so you have to remember form tan 0 divided by 0. Tan 0 क्या होता है 0, so 0 by 0 form. We can apply the L'Hopital rule. So L'Hopital rule apply करने के लिए क्या होगा, limit of x goes to x tends to 0 will be equal to their differentiation, will be equal to their derivative. So tan का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, sec square x, इसमें देखो tan का दिया हुआ है, देखो यहाँ पे sec square x डिवाइड बाई 1. ओके, जीरो रखने पे क्या होता है, sec x क्या होता है 1, तो वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा 1. इन दिस केस फॉर्म क्या है 1 minus cos 0 divided by 0. We are getting cos 0 क्या होता है 1, so we are getting 1 by 1 form, 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form, we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So limit will be equal to limit of 1 minus cos x divided by x when x tends to 0 will be equal to their derivatives. So 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0, कांस्टेंट क्या होता है 0, cos x का क्या होता है minus sin x, you can see here cos x का minus sin x, and then here 1 और x का 1, so we are getting plus sin x limit. Now it is converted on determinate form. So sin x x0 0. So 1 minus cos x divided by x, that will become a 0. Now here form sin inverse x divided by x. So sin inverse 0 divided by 0. What will come here? Sin inverse 0. Theta 0 पे क्या होगा 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. We can apply here L'Hopital rule. So limit x goes tends to 0 divided by x sin inverse x will be equal to their quotient of their derivatives 1. Sin inverse का क्या होता है, see here sin inverse is not given. One minus put the value x equal to 0. What we are getting 1. Form tan inverse 0 divided by 0. Tan inverse 0 means 0 by 0 form. We can apply the L'Hopital rule. So that will be the limit of x of tan inverse x divided by x when x tends to 0 will be equal to limit tan inverse का differentiation क्या होता है, here tan 1 by x square 1 by 1 plus x square 1 by 1 plus x square, and here this one is 1. Put the x is equal to 0, we are getting 1. So whatever the result we are getting here, just note it down and remember. We will apply these results to solve a large question, to big questions. Okay, when we will apply the sum rule, division rule, multiplication rule, quotient rule. So whenever you will get this type of expression, that we can write directly 1. Whenever we will get this type of expression, we will write 1. Whenever we get this type of expression, we can write 1, right? So that's why you have to remember. Okay. Take the form here. So log, put the x equal to 0. So 1 plus 0 divide by 0. Log 1 0, so 0 by 0 form. We can apply the L'Hopital rule by using L'Hopital rule, limit x goes to tends to 0. 1 का difference, x का differentiation 1 log of 1 plus x. So it is 1 by 1 plus x into 1. Put the x equal to 0, we are getting 1. So इसका क्या हो जाएगा? 1. Now, ये कौन सा फॉर्म है? e to the power 0. When you will put the x equal to 0, it will get e to the power 0 means 1. Now, form e to the power 0 minus 1 divided by 0. E to the power 0, 1 minus 1 divided by 0. It is, we are getting form 0 by 0. So we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So limit 1 का x का differentiation 1, e to the power का e to the power x. Differentiation of e to the power x, that is e to the power x minus 0. So we are getting here 1. This case, form e to the power 0 minus 1 divided by 0. So we are getting here 0 by 0 form. We can apply the L'Hopital rule. Limit x goes to 0. 1 का x का differentiation 1, differentiation of ax. इसका क्या होगा? Here ax. This is very important. Many times it has asked in GATE. Okay, a to the power x ln a. So a to the power x ln a minus 0. So what we are getting here? So put the value x equal to 0. We are getting 1 into L into ln a. Let's solve some previous year GATE questions. See, those who are getting, so far those who are getting some problem with applying a L'Hopital rule, so I would say just go through the differentiation formula and just remind what is the differentiation, how we can do. Okay, and just remember the formula only, you can solve the limit. Because when you are going to apply the L'Hopital rule, you have to be remember all the differentiation formula, right? And you have to be very quick to check the form. Okay, you have seen that in the many cases I'm just calculating, I'm showing, but in the GATE exam, what you will do, no need to check by seeing from by looking the question also. You can say क्वेश्चन देखा आपको एकदम फॉर्म पता होना चाहिए क्या फॉर्म है, मतलब यहाँ ही पुट कर देना आपको x इक्वल टू 0. आपको कलम यूज नहीं करना है, आपको यहाँ पुट करना है x इक्वल टू 0 एंड देन यू विल फाइंड द फॉर्म. तो फॉर्म चेक करने में यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्विक. 0 by 0 है, अगर डिटरमिनेट फॉर्म है देन सी द रिजल्ट, क्लिक करो. अगर डिटरमिनेट फॉर्म नहीं है, इंडिटरमिनेट है, तो फिर L'Hopital रूल लगाओ, या देखो कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसा एक्सप्रेशन है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्विक इनटू गेस द what is the form, whether is it determinate form or whether is it indeterminate. So let's discuss some previous year GATE questions. First, check what is the form. So put the x is equal to 0 in numerator denominator. So a plus divided by 2 into zero by zero form. So you can apply the Lambda rule. So limit x goes to 0. Differentiate. So 3x square plus 2x 6x square minus 14x. Again, you are getting 0 by 0 form. See, putting the value x is equal to x. So again, you are getting 0 by 0 form. So again, differentiate 12x in denominator into minus 14 or 6x plus 2. The value is equal to x is equal to 0, and you are getting 2 by minus 14 means minus 1 by 7. It is asked in civil engineering branch in GATE 2004 for 1 mark. Okay, so always check the form and be quick in by checking this form. Okay. Next question, civil engineering 2010 for 1 marks. See, it is not saying anything about this function like greater integer function or not. So take it as a simple bracket. Limit x goes to sine 2 by 3 to x divided by 3. What is form here? 0 by 0. और अब डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे, right? We can apply the Lambda rule, the differentiation in numerator denominator. So cos 2 by 3x. Now chain rule, 2 by 3 into x ka 2 by 3 divided by, sorry, it is x. So x ka differentiation, that is 1. So we are getting 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So always be quick to check the form. Here one thing you have to understand, differentiation of sine 2 by 3x divided by with respect to x. So that can be differentiation of sine 2 by 3x with respect to 2 by 3x. One differentiation of 2 by 3x with respect to. So this is called chain rule of differentiation. So it can be cos 2 by 3 into x, or it will be 2 by 3. So that I have written directly here. Okay. So we are getting finally 2 by 3. This is important. I would say this question is important. Limit. What is the form here? Put alpha is equal to 0. So x to the power 0 minus 1 divided by 0. So we are getting 0 by 0 form. Because something to the power 0 is 1. Okay. So but we are getting 0 by 0. So we can apply the Lambda rule. See, we have to differentiate alpha with respect to alpha, right? So that will be 1. And this we have to differentiate with respect to alpha x to the power of alpha minus 1. So how we can do that? You can see here x. What is the variable? We are checking the limits approaching. We are checking the limits at alpha is equal to 0. So in this case, x is constant. In this case, x is constant. See here, differentiation of x to the power alpha with respect to alpha. So it will be x to the power alpha ln x. x to the power alpha, differentiation of x to the power alpha divided by with respect to alpha, so it will be x to the power alpha into ln x, right? Like we have seen in the previous differentiation formula slides. In the previous slide, we have seen that a to the power differentiation of a to the power x with respect to x is a to the power x ln a. It is same here. Do not confuse with x. Yes, what we will get? We will get x to the power alpha ln x minus 0 divided by 1. Now put the value x alpha is equal to 0. So what we are getting? We are getting ln. इसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? ln. It was confusing here. It was confusing. Mechanical engineering 2003 for 1 marks. Take the form here. 0 by 0 form. You can check also. You can apply the factor rule. So limit of x goes to 0. Correct. Do the differentiation. So x का differentiation 1 to sin square x. So 2 sin x of x. Right? What value we are getting? Put the value is equal to 0. What we are getting? 0. Or directly you can calculate in this way also. The limit sin square x divided by x and x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. See, sin square. So you can write sin x into sin x divided by x. Or you can write limit x tends to 0. So limit sin x divided by x into sin x. Now, let's assume this is your fx and this is gx. Right? We can use the multiplication rule. So limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into limit sin x when x tends to 0. इसका लिमिट क्या होता है? From the standard result, इसका लिमिट होता है 1. This will be 0. So 1 into 0, what will come? 0. Okay, so this is the other method you can use. Next, mechanical 2 for 2 marks. So take the form here. What form you are getting? So x is equal to 3. So we have to put 2 into 3 square 9 minus 7 into 3 plus 3 divided by 5 into 9 minus 12 into 3 minus 9. What we are getting? 18 0 and then here also 0. So we are getting 0 by 0 form. So apply the L'Hopital rule. Calculate, limit of fx when x tends to 3 is equal to limit. Differentiate in denominator with respect to x. क्या आ रहा है? x स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 2x and 2 आगे है तो क्या बन जाएगा? ये 4x minus x 7 plus 0. कांस्टेंट का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है? 0. 10x minus 12 0. So this is not 0 by 0 form. So put the value is equal to 3. What we are getting here? So 4 into 3 minus 7 divided by 10 into 3 minus 12. We are getting 5 denominator and then here 18. right? Okay, check the form. So when putting s equal to 0, so it will be 1, 0, 0. So it will become a 0 by 0 form. Okay, so we can apply the factor rule. 3x cube, it will be differentiation 3x square with respect to x. Ex, it will be ex minus 1 का differentiation 0, x का 1, x square 2x, 2 नीचे cancel out, then it will become x. Now, so you can see here finally what we are getting, e to the power x minus 1 minus x divided by, you can see again we are getting 0 by 0 form. Again we are getting 0 by 0 form. We can apply the L'Hopital rule again. Limit e to the power x, differentiation of e to the power x with respect to x, ex minus 0 minus 1, 6x. Again we are getting 0 by 0 form. Again do the differentiation. I told you we will do many times. When we are getting 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form, so we can apply a L'Hopital rule. So e to the power x minus 0 divided by 6. If the x is equal to 0, what we are getting? 1 by 6. We have applied L'Hopital rule for 3 times in this case. Take the form of minus sine 0 divided by 2 into sine 0 plus cos 0. What form we are getting? Minus 0, 0 plus cos 0, 1. So cos 0, here we are getting 1. So it will be a 0. Minus 0, it doesn't mean minus 0 means 1. So we can write 0. Because this is determinate form. This is not indeterminate, this is determinate form. और determinate form में क्या हम directly लिख सकते हैं result. This one form, as you can see, form में 0 by 0, we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So limit when theta goes to 0, differentiation of theta with respect to theta 1 and sine theta 2. So it will be cos theta by 2 into half. By putting the theta is equal to 0, we'll get 1 by 2. If you know the concept or you have a practice, gate question is very easy or very scoring from the mathematics. Again, check the form. X, put the x is equal to infinity, what you are getting? Infinity by infinity. Here the form is infinity by infinity. Okay, so apply the L'Hopital rule. Limit x goes to infinity 1 minus sine ka cos differentiation 1 plus cos ka sine. Now, what form we are getting? Put the x is equal to infinity. And what you are getting? So minus 1 to 1 here, minus 1 to 1, right? So we are getting here form 1 minus cos 20 divided by 1 minus sine 20. I cannot say, I think. Let's solve by a different way, like limit x goes to infinity, and this we can divide numerator and denominator by x. So x minus sine x divided by x minus, sorry, plus cos x divided by x. We can write 1 minus sine x 1 plus x divided by x. Now we can apply the quotient rule. So we can write here limit one x goes to infinity minus limit x goes to infinity sine x by x divided by limit of 1 x goes to infinity plus limit cos x by x when x goes to infinity, right? So what we are getting here, see, 1 minus, so this value will be, what form we are getting? So infinity minus this. So we are getting 0, here we are getting 0. So we are getting 0 minus 0. We are getting 1. See how this or note down limit x goes to infinity sine x by x. Okay, so how this is 0. So see the form here. When sine infinity divide by infinity, sine value sin थीटा ये कहां से कहां वेरी करेगा -1 to sin infinity 1. We can say that sin infinity -1 से sin infinity 1 तक और डिवीजन और छोटी क्वांटिटी है और डिवीजन डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है इंफिनिटी, सो रिजल्ट क्या आ जाएगा 0. Same thing we can apply for cos x by x. So both will be 0. This will be also 0. This will be also 0. So directly we can write 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus 0. It will be 1. Take the form here. X is equal to 4 पे क्या आ रहा है? Sin 0 by 0. In 0 by 0 form, we can apply the L'Hopital rule by applying L'Hopital rule. So limit x goes to 4 cos x minus 4 into 1 divided by 1. So what are you getting? 1. Thank you. In the next class, I will discuss more gate problems, and I will discuss how we can solve for the other indeterminate form also, like 0 to the power 0, infinity to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity. So that I will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.